In front of me is REALME C25s, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first you need to open your phone dealer, and let's start with the first code, which is *#1234 and pound at the end. And as you can see, this one will provide you with color version. So just tap on OK to close it. Another code that you can use is *800 and pound at the end. And just tap on agree, and here you've got the report panel where you can report some issues that you've got with your phone. And for example, if you've got something with your Wi-Fi, just mark it, and then you can record the issue and then send the feedback. So obviously you can pick whichever feature you've got any problems with. Then let's go back, and let me open the keypad again. Another code is pretty short, it's *07#, and as you can see, this one will provide you with max SAR level. So here you got it, and to go back, tap on OK. Another code is for calendar info. To open all events, all celebrations that you've got, just enter *#225 #*. And here you've got all events, all celebrations from every calendar of yours. So that's it, let's go back. Another code that you can use here is *888 and pound at the end. And here you've got the engineer mode, you can read the PCB number, and also you can scan this QR code to find some more details. And the last code that I would like to share with you today is *6776. Oh, sorry, I need to remove it. *6776 pound at the end, and here you've got the software version info, so you can smoothly read all of the details like PCB number, build number, carrier version, also kernel version, basement version, model, and so on. And actually I've got one more, which is *06#, and this one is for email number. So this is it. This is how you can use secret codes in your phone, how you can reach some undetected places in your device, and also info. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.